We are in the canteen with Chef D this morning, and you are whipping up some frittatas.
Yes. I was thinking, it's that time of year where you're trying to think of some different things and that. So, and I know that in the Italians, where this comes from, is that they put anything from the fridge goes in there. It could be chorizo, it could be anything, right?
So, leftover turkey, maybe, if you still have some. It's all going in the pot. So what's the difference between a frittata, a quiche, and an omelet?
Okay, a quiche and frittata. Quiche has a crust, right? It's a pie crust. You whip the egg up and you put it in the pie crust. You bake it that way.
Okay.
The omelet is just strictly done in the pan, and you can do it the old way with Julia Child, and you just kind of keep moving it and you curdle the eggs, right?
Right.
And that. So then this is where we're going to take it. We're going to place it in your oven and go from there. And the other great thing is that you can eat it cold, it's really good cold.
Yeah,
so
it's refreshing.
Right. So we're going to get started, and again, about a dozen eggs in each.
Okay.
Right. I like using the hand blender, Rick, because then it just mixes it all nice way together.
Easier on the wrist?
100%. I'm getting older. And then we're going to hit it with just a little bit of lemon juice.
Okay. So what does the lemon juice do?
It stops it from going green. Sometimes when you put it into your pans, especially the carbon pan there, it turns it green. And I wish I had a good explanation, but I don't.
We'll get our research team on this.
Yeah, exactly. It was one of those mornings today.
So you brought in almost everything under the sun here.
Exactly. So the first one we're going to do is just some bacon.
Okay. So bacon first. Okay.
Oh yeah,
bacon. Where are you going with this?
And then cheese.
Nice.
Right? For this one, and we'll just leave that one alone. We need lots of cheese.
I think you need more cheese.
Okay.
Yeah. You know what? Just throw the whole thing. No.
Right. And then for the second one, let's do a vegetarian one.
Okay,
so we have some roasted peppers.
Nice.
Right. Sun-dried tomatoes, because I just love sun-dried. Right?
Yes. Love it.
And these are the ones not in oil that you can find at your local grocery stores.
Right.
I like it because then you don't have that. And then some baby arugula from here in Ontario, because you can do spinach and you could do broccoli, but we all know my feelings on broccoli.
Yeah. Arugula is a good way to go.
Right? So put the arugula in like so.
Okay.
Now, I'm putting in, like the blended cheese here, but you could put in Parmesan cheese, like grate some Parmesan cheese. Oh, that'd be so good.
Nice. I love the colors as well.
Right?
Right, because we eat with our eyes.
100%.
If it's appealing, we're going
100%. We eat with our eyes, and also too, it's that time of year where it's dark, and cold.
Let's brighten it up.
Right.
With a delicious frittata.
Okay, so then we just take our egg blend, put it over.
Okay.
I preheated the oven to 350, right? We're going to put it in the oven for 350, anywhere between 22 and 30 minutes. Okay. It depends on your ovens. Like sometimes, it'll go from there.
Right. This seems very easy.
This is it. Now, again, like I said, we can change it up. We can put some Parmesan cheese in. You can put some cream in with it, and just take it from wherever you want to go.
I've also noticed, though, you haven't gone overboard with the ingredients. Like, you're not stuffing in a million things.
No, you don't. If you want to, go for it. This is like I always say, recipes are like road maps. There's more than one way to get to the end result, right?
Okay.
So if you want, put lots more meat in. You could put some ham. You could put some, even salmon, like cold salmon left over.
Really?
Oh yeah. Okay, so fast forward, because magic of TV. Now we would put these into the oven.
22 to 30 minutes. Yeah.
100%, right?
Okay.
Don't laugh at me, Rick.
Are you going to just take one out of the oven?
I'm going to take one out of the oven.
It smells amazing. Look
but our
at
pans
that.
don't match.
We've changed pans. It's really the magic of TV.
I was at the restaurant today, and it just wasn't happening.
Yeah.
So just look at it, and I'll put that.
And is this the proper thickness?
Yeah. There is no proper thickness. Okay. Again, it depends on the pan that you have and whatever you want. Yep. And then you can go from there.
I notice there's no utensils. So do you mind?
No, go for it.
Okay.
I'll just take a little bit over here. How good's that?
Wow.
All right.
Flavorful. Got the nice crust on the bottom. The ingredients are superb. There's enough cheese to get the kids excited about it.
Exactly. And again, you can eat it hot or cold. Simple, easy. Take it out of the refrigerator, and then you can have it for lunch. You can have it for dinner.
Amazing.
Change it up.
So delicious, so easy to make as well, Shifty. Thank you so much for stopping in.
Thank you.
And you can find everything about Shifty on his socials and our website as well, chch.com/morninglive. Good morning.
Good morning.